If you want your outdoor power equipment to start up easily and run strong, it's important to do periodic maintenance. At least once per year, you should do a tune-up to the engine, replacing the air filter, spark plug, and fuel filter. The tune-up kit includes these 3 parts, making the annual tune-up easy. Installing the tune-up kit in your small engine is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by installing the spark plug from the kit. I'll remove the spark plug boot and then unscrew the spark plug. Now I can install the spark plug. First, I need to check the gap between the strap and the electrode. In this case, it should be 26 thousandths of an inch. I'll use my gapping tool to check the gap, and it looks like it's at about 33 thousandths, so I need to close the gap up a little bit. And that looks good. With the spark plug properly gapped, now I can thread it back into the engine. Tighten it with the wrench. And replace the boot. Next, we'll install the new air filter. I'll remove the air filter cover. Pull the air filter away from the air filter base and install the new filter. And I'll reinstall the cover. The last piece in the kit is the fuel filter. To replace it, I'll remove the gas cap. I'll use a hook I've made out of a piece of wire to pull the fuel line from the tank. Now I can remove the old fuel filter and install the new. I want to make sure that this wire clamp seats over the neck on the fuel filter. Like that. Then I'll place the filter back into the tank. And now you know how to install a tune-up kit in your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.